How to fix the UKG Workforce Central mobile app not working. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix UKG Workforce Central app not working. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to know that you are using latest version of app. Open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Using search icon, search for UKG Workforce Central app. If you see any update button next to the app, simply tap on it to make sure you are running the latest version of the app. Now, hop into settings on your device. Scroll down, tap on apps, select app management and search for the UKG Workforce Central app. And open the app info section of it. Select storage uses. Now tap clear cache, and this will fix different kinds of glitches and bugs on your app. If none of these above steps work, you can simply reinstall the app. Tap and hold UKG Workforce app and tap on install. Select on install button and head towards Play Store or App Store. Search for the app and tap install button, and after that your issue of Workforce Central app not working will be fixed. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.